Hi, welcome to North American Pizza and Culinary Academy. This is our equipment showcase. I'm Chef Dan. I want to show you our Ballmatic high hydration dough ball roller. This can handle up to 1,000 gram dough balls at up to a 75% hydration. What we have here is different sized dough balls from 50 to 1,000 grams. This is a New York style recipe with 60% hydration. So I'm just going to show you starting at lowest, going all the way up, how it works. Switch on the side, real simple. Okay, 50 gram dough ball. Going to go in. Comes right out. Full dough ball. 100 grams. 200 grams. 300 grams. And I'm gradually going in 100 gram increments on these dough balls. The bottom might need a little tightening, but the amount of time it saves you on labor is unbelievable. Here we go. So I got 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 600 gram dough ball. This is a 700 gram dough ball. Okay. Okay, look at that, pretty good. I mean, no error. This is 850. These dough balls are tight. Alright, here's the 1,000 gram. Look at that. Everything from 50 all the way to 1,000 grams. Saves you labor, saves you time, saves you money. If you're interested, please contact Sean at Pizza Project Group and check us out, North American Pizza Culinary Academy. Have a great day.